How to make money on Freelancer as a WordPress blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming down to this platform to find or to hire a WordPress blogger, I will just go to hire freelancers in here, click on buy skill and search for a WordPress blogger. For example, let's just go with ghostwriters because we cannot find that particular skill in here. We will need to enter that manually. So let's go with ghostwriters, and here you can hire expert ghostwriters for any job. So by scrolling down, you will be able to see all of their profiles. So let's go with see more ghostwriters, and here you will see their profiles where they are showcasing their skills, how much they're getting paid per hour, their reviews, the ratings that they've got, where are they from, and all of those sort of things. So let's check this one's profile just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own profile like this person, how to verify all of these things, every one of those things. And by having all of them verified, that means you are worth of trust, and that builds more trust with your clients. And also I'm going to show you how you can enter this description or the summary, or however you would like to call it. And here in the profile, you will be able also to see the reviews of the freelancer, how much ratings they've got, how many ratings they've got, the percentage of likeliness to accept a project, and all of those things. The percentage of jobs completed, percentage that he completed on budget, on time, and the repeat hire rate as well. And always if the repeat hire rate is more than 20%, 30%, that means the freelancer is a good freelancer because clients are coming back to him. So by scrolling down, you'll be able also to see the portfolio of the freelancer. And here you will be able to see the reviews, what the clients are saying about him, how much they paid him for the project, and also you will see the ratings as well. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile as well like those people. So let's close this one, and here click on freelancer and give it a few seconds to load, and click on earn money freelancing to create your own profile. And here make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login, and let's give it a few seconds to redirect us to our dashboard. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, it's where you can control everything about your profile. So let's go up to this button in here. You can see your account, where you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insight, and your settings. And when it comes to finances, you can check as well your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds. You can check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, your payment sharing. And here you have the support. If you've encountered any problem, you can head to the support. And if you want to invite friends, they will provide you with your custom link where you're going to invite friends. And I think by inviting friends, you will get some kind of reward or something like that. And here if you want to log out from the profile. So let's go up to the profile, because we still need to make a lot of adjustments to our profile. As you can see, it's pretty empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, 0 jobs completed, 0 in everything. So let's start first by editing our profile. And here the first step is to verify our email. As you can see, email verification required. After verifying your email, then you proceed to add in a profile picture. It's very important because no client would work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. And also make sure to upload a cover photo. It will help also. And after you're done with the pictures, then you proceed to the verifications. And as I mentioned in the beginning, make sure to have them all in check. The first one is to join an elite group of the best freelancers. Second is to verify your identity via a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Same thing with your payment method, verify it as well. And the phone, email, we've talked about it before. And if you have a Facebook account, make sure to connect it to the platform. And guys, if you are asking why do I need to do all of these verifications, basically, as I said in the beginning, it will help build more trust and credibility in your profile. After you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to your hourly rate. Choose a good hourly rate, then enter your professional headline, and then your summary or description. It's like the one we saw before in the freelancers platform, in the freelancers profile. It's where you can talk a little bit about yourself, your skill, the years of experience you have, and those sort of things. After that, you proceed to enter in your skills. So here you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones. Let's enter our skill. Let's go with blogging. We have a blog writing, blogging. And when you're done with entering your skills, scroll down to save those changes. And then scroll down again to add your portfolio. As I said, clients need to see your work before hiring you. Then if you can add these 4, make sure to add them. They will also help you build more trust and credibility. And after you're done with making all of these changes to your profile, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects. And here you're going to see all of the posted jobs from individuals or business owners who are looking for someone with your skills to hire for a job. So make sure if you find a job that interests you, apply for it and see if they will accept you. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.